How to pay Cash Express loan. To pay Cash Express loan, follow these steps. First, go to the official website, then click on Login. After login, your loan will show up. Then scroll down and look for Minimal Payment option. Then click on Pay Now. Then select your payment source. Then click on Select. Then enter your mobile number or email. Then click on Here. Then instructions page will pop up. Then open your Cash app. Then click on Bills option. Then click on Add a Biller. Then scroll down and select Dragon Loans. Then enter reference number, contact number, amount, email address, nickname, reminder. Then click on Save. Then select the bill and click on Next. Then review everything and click on Confirm. And your Cash Express loan is paid. Thanks for watching.